What's up, fellas? So I'm out here working on the F-150 too. So I got the radiator out, and that looks pretty juicy down there. I'm trying to get the power washer, clean all that off. But my intention, replace the radiator with a bigger one, a newer one. It's all aluminum. Replace the 3G alternator, or I think that's a 2G with a 3G. Take the air pump off, get rid of this stuff over here. Clint Garrity, the guy who developed Binary Editor, which is a program I use for tuning, was able to, what the hell did he call it? He took a tune that was in Tuner Pro format and converted it to the program that I use. I've used Tuner Pro before, but it's just a little different, and I'm comfortable with Binary Editor, so I'm going to use that. But so I got a tune so I can turn off the EGR, the tab and tad, do all the stuff in the tune, and set up the shift points in the transmission a little different, the firmness and all that stuff. A couple things I wanted to show you. I don't know how long this truck just got running like a year and a half or 2 years ago, because it had sat so much that the fuel pumps froze up, and it was just nasty. So they put 5 new injectors in. They got 3 other ones to work better, and there was so much rust in the coolant system. And I think I had mentioned before how this hose wasn't on right, and then I found this when I took it off tonight. See how that lip is folded over? And so I got to replace that. And then this, you can see all these nipples on where the coolant has been, just because it's been sitting. And they probably used antifreeze with tap water. That looks pretty nice, huh? So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the hoses as well, and I might replace the water pump too, because I saw a little bit, it looks like a little seepage here at the front right there. And see if I can get on eBay and scare up a battery tray, because this is rusted and this bracket ain't doing nothing anymore. And I'm going to take off, I think I've said that already, take off the air pump, put a 3G on that, and I'll probably, like I said, replace the water pump. Of course, I'll have to take all that stuff off, which is a great time. And then I can get in there and get the cast iron exhaust manifolds off and put the headers on. Still haven't made up my mind if I want to put an Explorer intake on this or just run this. I'd kind of like to take the intake off and look to make sure it's a roller block, which I'm sure it is. It should be, but I don't know the whole history on this. As far as I know, it's the original engine. Of course, if I put the Explorer intake on, I can put on some Mustang valve covers too. And I got a set of Scorpion rocker arms. I got to put those in too while I'm at it. But one other thing I wanted to show you before I wrap this up, and lucky for you guys, it's a short video today, whatever. So these are my Walker Dynamax ultraflos, and I don't know, I always look in the mufflers to see how they are, because sometimes they'll neck down inside, and these neck down pretty good. You see that right there? That's under 2 inches. It's like, I used a snap gauge. Excuse me, daggum sinuses. Best I could get was just a little under 2 inches. So my redneck ass took this thing with a long arbor and made it look like that. Get a little more flow. And again, like I said before, I'm not trying to eke out every little tenth or whatever. But you know, I'm trying to make it as efficient as possible. And if you're going through the trouble of putting headers and mufflers and stuff on, why not make it work as best as it can? I think. I mean, it's my thoughts on it. And I don't know if Rodney watches this garbage, but I got stickers, so I'll take them over next time I'm over that way. So that's it. I'm just showing you where I'm at on this. Probably going to wrap it up for the night because it's about to get dark, or be dark. And then tomorrow we go on daylight savings time, and I hope we go on there and stop. Just leave it alone. Don't mess with it anymore. I'll be happy with that. I think that's about it for tonight. Like I said, it'd be short, and still working on the trooper car in between other stuff. Fired it up today, and I got some paint. Like I said, I got some paint on the hood. I got to put another coat on tomorrow and get some clear on it, and I can start putting the stuff back on the car. All right, appreciate y'all. Later.